Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Garmin GPS Map 7608 XSV. It's an 8-inch touchscreen chart plotter sonar combo from Garmin with a lot of accessories that you can add on to this unit. So we're going to take a look at the unit and see everything that comes in the box. Okay, first thing we find is our serial number sticker on the top here. A bunch of accessories you can add to this unit. And then first thing right in there is your Garmin 7608. As you can see, it comes with a protective cover and is packaged quite well. Underneath the unit you have a flush mount template. If you're going to be flush mounting this into the dash, Garmin provides that. We also have in this box the covers, which you'll see go onto the top of the unit here. Just take it out of the packaging. So it comes with these uninstalled in case you are going to flush mount it. If you do not flush mount it, or after you flush mount it, you can pop that on. So those are your flush mount screws, one in each corner, and then these covers here. A lot of guys also will paint these up just to give their unit a custom look. Okay, so in here is some more stuff for flush mounting, some gaskets to go around the units with the cutouts for your flush mount screws on there as well. Next you're going to have your power cable, NMEA 2000 drop cable and T-connector. We've got the bail mount. You're going to be mounting it on the deck of a boat. Your knobs and some hardware. And your instruction information and warranty information. Okay, so here we have everything out of the package, and as usual Garmin's done an excellent job providing you everything you need in order to install it in a variety of mounting situations. So first thing, we do have the gimbal bail mount. Comes with your screws, your knobs to attach the unit to the side. Only disappointing thing about this is it is made of plastic and not metal. They did allow a cutout on the back to feed your cables down through for a clean installation. You have an NMEA 2000 drop cable and T-connector, so that's really nice. A lot of manufacturers don't include that to allow you to tie into your existing network. They even provide a Phillips screw to attach your T-connector. Your power and data cable here, red connector, which you'll see on the back of the unit. You can't mess up where it goes. You have your positive and negative leads, and then your NMEA 2000 connectors. They've pre-installed the fuse, which is I believe a 6 amp, and that's all ready to go. What Garmin is known for is not installing the threaded collar to allow you to install this first and then pass through a smaller hole, then install this. They also provide you with a little gasket here to waterproof it, as well as detailed instructions on how to install the little connector. From a flush mounting perspective, as we mentioned, they give you a flush mount template. They give you the full installation kit, including gaskets. And that's very nice to see from Garmin, giving you both mounting options right in the box with no optional accessories you need to purchase. From a paperwork standpoint, don't expect too much. What you're going to get with the unit, just a warning if you have any trouble to contact Garmin and not your retailer. Just some safety instructions. A very, very brief manual. As you can see, it's extremely thin. Just a quick start manual. One page to get you up and running on your unit, and then you have an installation guide, which is actually quite detailed. Now for the unit itself, this is the Garmin GPS Map 7608 XSV. Comes with the protective cover. On the front of the unit you have your power switch, you have a proximity sensor, as well as a dual card slot for full-size SD cards. And as mentioned, they don't install these guys from the factory, which will cover your flush mount holes. On the back side of the unit, you have all your connections, which have waterproof covers if you're not going to be using them, with the exception of the power cable, because you obviously have to use that. So we have NMEA 2000 power data. We have one Garmin Ethernet network port. Up here we have an 8-pin transducer port. We have another network port. We have a 12-pin transducer port. And then we have a BNC connector over here, which I believe is for video input. The advantage to having the two transducer ports is the 12-pin will be used for side view and down view, whereas the 8-pin blue connector transducer there will allow you to use it for just your traditional or chirp sonar. So for installations where you need to mount a transducer 12 pin up on the jack plate or higher up on the transom of a boat, you can go ahead and do that and then epoxy in the 8-pin blue transducer inside your hull so you'll get your sonar readings at high speed use. So that's everything that's included in this Garmin package. Definitely want to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be doing a lot more with this network system. We're going to be installing it and doing an install video on it, using it with Panoptix and the Garmin GT52HW transducer, and going to go through and show you exactly how you want to install this, and then also a bunch of videos on how to use it. So please subscribe and like the videos.